An emergency team was deployed in the municipality of Baha region this morning, Monday, in Al Merdin, to clean it, repair it and return it to its normal state as before. In the video, the Baha Emergency Department removes hail, dust and rocks from the streets. Baha's emergency department removed the hail, dust and stones that fell on roads and streets during the heavy rains that the city of Baha witnessed. In today's weather report, the National Meteorological Center predicts thunderstorms will continue from moderate to heavy. The authorities added that the rains were accompanied by active winds which stirred dust and hail which caused torrential flows in parts of Baha, Makkah al-Mukarramah, Medina, Tabuk, Al-Jawf, Northern Border, Salam, Najran, Jazan and Asir areas. In a historical papyrus, the mountains and valleys of the city of Baha were blanketed in white after the rain and cold that the region witnessed today. In the video, the beauty is depicted in parks and on city streets, encouraging people to get out and enjoy the springtime norm. Today, moderate to moderate rain, accompanied by hail and thunderstorms, fell in the Baha area, including the city of Baha and its governorates and affiliated centers. As a result, numerous valleys and rocky reefs flowed, and God made them good waters and blessings, and the benefits spread throughout the land. While the concerned authorities warned residents and vehicle drivers to be careful in view of the changes in the weather that the region has witnessed recently and the intensity of the cold in the city of Baha and a number of governorates. In its weather report for today, the National Meteorological Center predicts continued thunderstorms, from moderate to heavy, with active winds causing dust and hail.